Hi, this is Brian Reese with the Economic Opportunity Board of Clark County, and today we're going to talk to you more about Microsoft Office. Today we're going to still deal with the insert panel and talk about cover sheets. Cover sheets are very important if you're preparing a resume. It makes it look very stylish if you're creating a report of some sort. And if you click the button here under Insert, it actually opens up a template of several different kinds of shapes and values and designs so that you can go through and create one. We're just going to go ahead and hit this one right here. What it does is it inserts it. Then all you need to do is just change the information that's in it. It looks stylish, and you can add it to any presentation and it'll look great. Now we're going to take a look at page breaks or placing a blank page. Say you wanted to have this, then all of a sudden you wanted to have a index of some sort right between them. You go ahead and click on that page, and you go ahead and add a blank page. Excuse me, let's get out of that. Add a blank page in betwixt and between. So now you have a blank page. You have your cover page, and now you have a blank page between the two. Usually there's a blank page there with numbers and table of contents and that kind of thing. So now we go down to the bottom here, and we want to add a page break. Now, if you had information on here that filled up this entire page and filled up the next page, but you wanted to have a page break in the middle of it, okay, where you stop here, so that means that the printer will print only up to this portion, and then it'll jump to the next page and start printing from there. So you would actually have to, of course, increase the size of this so we can see what we're looking at. And somewhere, say right about here, we add a page break. So break the page up here and start a new page so that you can have this extra information or extra space to do with as you please. Well, that's basically it for now. This is Insert in the Microsoft Office Word program, talking about a cover page, blank pages, actually cover page templates, blank pages, and also adding a page break. Thank you very much for watching, and you all have a great day, and we appreciate you. So please, if you have any questions or desires or needs from our particular organization, feel free to contact us at the website listed on this page. Thank you very much and have a great day. Bye-bye.